Welcome, my name is Sarah Stueber and I'm a business analyst for Proagrica. This video covers a new function that was added to SST Summit in version 8.4.11. It's called the DataBullet. Cirrus users are already familiar with this functionality in our mobile app, and now we're bringing it to the desktop Summit user. Before we get started, let's discuss the difference between an AGX connection and a DataBullet. AGX connections exist between users that share data back and forth regularly. Once the connection is established, new and edited data flows freely between AGX accounts. A DataBullet, however, is a one-time thing. You are sending a single layer of data quickly to a contact in a one-way transaction. Once that shot is fired, nothing comes back to you and nothing else gets sent. That's why we call it a bullet. So let's go through an example. There are a couple places throughout Summit that you'll find the DataBullet function, but most commonly it'll be accessed through maps. The first way would be to right-click on a layer in your Available Layers pane, and you'll see that you have a new DataBullet option. There's also a new DataBullet button on the Preview Data screen. The third way is to right-click on a layer once it's been loaded, and you see you still have that new option. So let's click on that. The first time you enter here, you're not going to have any contacts, and you'll need to set some up. I've already made some here. Let's delete Kale so that I can add him back. Okay? So we click the green button to add a contact. You'll need to know 3 things about the person you're trying to send it to: their name, their email address, and their sync ID. So let's type in Kale. Okay, and then I'm going to add him as a contact. Oops. The email address and sync ID doesn't match that AGX user, and it's going to make me resolve it because we don't want to send data bullets to people that don't exist. Now, I actually did that on purpose, so let's add the C in his email address and try again. Now it validated and it added him to my list. If you get a big list going here, you can use the search feature to find people. So I actually want to send this KREC to Adam, so I'm going to select his name. And then if I want to transfer admin rights to Adam on this layer, I'm going to check this box down here. If you want to send a DataBullet to multiple people, you can, but you can't transfer admin rights to more than one person. So as soon as you click more than one contact, that option goes away. Okay, so I'm going to click send, and it tells me DataBullet was sent to account 27 and also to account 11, and then we're done. That's it. The DataBullet was sent. We hope that our Summit users find this tool as handy as our Cirrus users have. Please don't hesitate to contact us for additional information or if you have questions. Thank you for watching, and come back to our website often for the latest updates on SST Summit and any of our other products. Here at Proagrica, we're growing together.